Good evening. Today I wish to give you some information regarding that popular or new varieties in horticulture crops. And that first one is cauliflower. That cauliflower, also that the biofortified varieties are available. In the yesterday we were discussed about that popular varieties in agriculture crops. In that wheat, paddy, and all those things we were discussed about that biofortified material. In line with that, horticulture crops also biofortified materials are available, particularly in the case of cauliflower, Pusa Pata Kesari 1. So, biofortified material fortified with high beta carotene content of 8 to 10 ppm. And also, this average cord yield is somewhere around 40 to 50 tons per hectare. And this material is developed by the IARA mainly for the vegetable purpose in the region of the Delhi. And then another peculiar and wonderful material as far as the Bendi is concerned, that is a Kasi Lalima. So very popular. So because of its color as well as antioxidant rich nature. So this is a Bendi with red colored material. So developed by the Indian Institute of Vegetable Research, Varanasi. So it's a red color Bendi. Then another Bendi variety, that is a Pusa Savani. So it's a day neutral and spineless variety and good yielding characters. So because of that day neutral nature, throughout the year we can cultivate this particular variety. Then tomato, two hybrids are available. Both the hybrids have different level of that disease resistant potential. The first hybrid is Arka Rakshak. So this is a Indian first triple disease resistant hybrid. So this shows resistance against tomato leaf curl, bacterial wilt and early blight. So this material is developed by the Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Bangalore. And the material they used for crossing purpose is IIHR 2834 crossed with IIHR 2833. So by the way of crossing these two, they developed the Arka Raksha F1 hybrid. So Arka Raksha F1 hybrid have a triple disease resistant characters. Then another hybrid, that is Arka Habgit, or otherwise called as H397. So this one is a multiple disease resistance, whereas the Arka Raksha it's a three disease resistance, whereas this is a multiple disease resistant characters. So this have a resistance against tomato leaf curl diseases and bacterial wilt, early blight and late blight diseases, and also the plant type is semi-determinate nature. Then another very popular material in the case of carrot, that is that black variety, name is Pusa Azita, which is amazing in color and flavor also very good, and this will be one of the world's richest plant-based source of anthocyanin. This have a rich dark pigmented antioxidant. Roots also practically black in color instead of that orange color. This particular variety, that is Pusa Azita, the color is black in color. This perform better than other carrot variety in the extreme heat, though it is a taste better when harvested this material during the winter season, and also its flavor is richer and sweeter than the regular orange carrot. Colors deepens as carrot matures, even bleeding like a beetroot when we can make a cut. So it's a black carrot variety, that is a Pusa Azita. Then another carrot variety, that is a Pusa Ruttira. So this particular variety was developed by the IARA, and also they given this particular variety for cultivation under Surna village. Surna village actually one of the IARA adapted village under model village development programs. So that is located near newly called Kabur districts of Western Uttar Pradesh. So by the way of cultivating, making that farmer to cultivate these particular variety, IARA aiming for making that Sudan village as a carrot village, and also that Pusa Ruttira have the yield potential of 393.75 quintals per hectare, which is 10 quintals higher than the prevailing variety. Then another important variety in the case of potato, that is a Kufri Neelakan. This is the first ever purple color variety released by the India, so developed by the Central Potato Research Institute, Simla. Not only color advantage, this also fortified with antioxidant. So this have a anthocyanin content of more than 100 microgram per 100 gram of fresh weight, and carotenoid approximately 200 microgram per 100 gram of fresh weight. And Kufri Neelagan that outperformed other popular varieties like Kupri Lalit, Kupri Lalima, and Kupri Sinturi. Another main thing is potatoes so far considered as a starch-rich material that creates some sort of carbohydrate-related issues in the human beings. But by the way of consuming that Kufri Neelakan, we can make this potato as a nutritious material. Then sweet potato, two materials are released. Both the materials are fortified with some vitamin precursors like beta carotene as well as that anthocyanin. So the first material is Pooshona. So it's a puline variety. This contains high beta carotene. Pooshona that contain high protein beta carotene, that 14 milligram per 100 grams. So this is released for Odisha during the year 2017. So this material is developed by the Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Then another sweet potato variety, that is a Poo Krishna. So this is also a puline variety that is fortified with anthocyanin. So this have a high anthocyanin content of 90 milligram per 100 grams. So this also notified for Odisha. This is also developed by the CTCRA, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Then pomegranate. That pomegranate also one biofortified metal is developed. That name of that hybrid is Solapur Lal. So that is fortified with a high iron content of 5.6 to 6.1 milligram per 100 gram, zinc content of 0.64 to 0.69 milligram per 100 gram, and vitamin C content of 19.4 to 19.8 milligram per 100 gram in fresh arils. And this material is developed by the National Research Center on Pomegranate, Pune, Maharashtra. That is a Solapur Lal. It's a pomegranate biofortified hybrid material. And then papaya, that material is known as a Pusa magistri. It's a kynodiasis line, tolerant to viral diseases and root knot nematode. So in papaya, that Pusa magistri is available that have the potential to resist that root knot nematode. So this material also identified for papain production. That papain content is almost comparable with the CO2 variety. Then marigold, one material is released, that is a Pusa Pagar. It's African marigold types, yellow color, floriferous nature, and suitable for bedding in gardens as well as for the other floral decorations. And then Goa, one hybrid, that is a Arka Purna. It's a dual purpose variety suitable for medium to high density planting, and TSS content also somewhere around 10 to 12 degree flex. So these are all the recently released material as far as that capsicum, muskmelon, and French bean, Cladiolus variety, rose hybrid, and cross hunter is concerned. In the case of capsicum on hybrid, in the name of Arka Adulia. So this have the potential to tolerate that powdery mildew. Then muskmelon, one selection released in the name of Arka Sri, and French bean, one variety Arka Sugomal. So that is a rust resistant character. Gladiolus, two materials, Arka Ranjini and Arka Pradam, and rose, three hybrids. So that is Arka Kinari, that is a hybrid tea rose type, and Arka Sharmili. So this is also a hybrid tea rose types, and Arka Chinchana, that is a pluming floripanda type, and Chrysandra, one material, that is a Arka Chena, that is orange color nature. So these are all the materials recently released by the public sector side, and also some of them are popular, particularly that red color bendy, then black color carrot. So these are all the very popular, getting popular as far as that horticulture crop is concerned. So with that, I am completing that materials that is variety related to that horticulture crops. Thank you very much.